Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get your public bank QR code. This easy method helps you receive payments quickly and efficiently. Public Banks Do It Now QR is a fantastic tool for both personal and business use, allowing anyone to pay you directly from their banking or e-wallet apps. It simplifies transactions, making your financial life much smoother. Let's dive into the simple steps to get yours. Generating your Do It Now QR code is straightforward within the MyPB app. First, open and securely log into your public bank MyPB mobile banking application. Once inside, look for the scan option on the main page. Tapping this will reveal a receive option, which is where you'll find the functionality to generate your personal QR code. You'll then select the bank account you want linked to this QR for receiving funds. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. On another note, tired of cleaning? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, making your life much easier. You can find a link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After generating your QR code, you have a couple of options. You can either create a QR for a specific amount, perfect for a single transaction, or generate one that allows the payer to input any amount they wish. Always double-check the details before proceeding. Once satisfied, you can easily save the QR code image to your device, share it via messaging apps, or even print it for physical display. It's that simple to start receiving payments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.